Hey there, welcome to today's troubleshooting session. So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand involves using a barcode scanner to input data into a program. The scanner works fine in recognizing and capturing the scanned barcode, but here's the catch: when a barcode is scanned, it adds unwanted characters, specifically CHRW2 at the beginning and CHRW3 at the end of the scanned data. This additional text is causing a hiccup in the program's functionality, as it disrupts the filtering process. We've identified the culprit as the UTF-32 to UTF-16 conversion, which introduces surrogate pairs due to the difference in character encoding. Now let's dig into the solution that was discovered for this pesky problem. The key fix lies in adjusting how the data is processed during conversion. By tweaking the code snippet provided below, we're able to exclude the first and last characters from the conversion process. This targeted approach ensures that we sidestep the issue of surrogate pairs creeping in and muddling up the barcode filtering. By implementing this adjustment, we streamline the data handling process and maintain the integrity of the scanned barcode information. To wrap things up, we've successfully addressed the challenge of unwanted characters skewing the barcode data input. By fine-tuning the UTF-32 to UTF-16 conversion process, we've eliminated the interference caused by invisible characters and preserved the accuracy of the scanned barcodes. Sometimes it's the subtle tweaks that make all the difference in resolving a technical hiccup. Thanks for tuning in to this troubleshooting journey. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, hit the like button if this solution helped you out, and feel free to drop a comment with your thoughts or any quirky barcode jokes you might have. Stay tech savvy, folks.